The population of a village is 25,000. 1/5 are females and the rest are males. 5% of males are and 40% females are uneducated. అయితే what percentage of on the whole is educated అంట. ఒక రైట్ నామినేషన్. నా పాపులేషన్లో 25,000 మెంబర్స్. ఒకటి ఎంతమంది 25,000 మెంబర్స్ అంట. ఒక రైట్. 1/5 are female and rest are males అంట. సో 1/5. 1/5 means out of 25 1/5 అంటే 5,000 members. ఓకేనా, రిమైనింగ్ 20,000 members. ఓకే రైట్. సో 1/5 are females and rest are males. రైట్. 5% of the males are 40% females are uneducated. So out of males 5%, out of 25% equal to ఎంత 10%, 2,000, 5% అంటే 1,000. So 1,000 members are uneducated and 40% of the females are uneducated. Out of 5,000, 40%. So ఎంతమ్మా 10% means 500, 40% means 2,000 members. So 2,000 members are uneducated. Out of 25,000, 3,000 members are uneducated people. The question is, what percentage of the whole is educated? That means out of 25,000 educated means 22,000 members are educated people out of 25,000. The percentage means into 100. So the answer 0 funds and force. 88% people are educated. So option B is the right answer.